The journey we started off 5 months ago is gradually coming to completion. I introduced an off-plan project to you on this channel, Eko Paragon. Yes, Eko Paragon, that's off-plan project that consists of 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and a 3 bedroom. The development that is being brought to you by S Royal, GRA Real Estate Investment, and in partnership with the Lagos State government. I'm back here to give you site updates. And smart investors, what I have seen on site is highly recommendable. We started off this project 5 months ago, sometime February, and today we are in September, and you are going to be the judge today. You're going to watch the video to the very end, and you will be the one to tell me if we've done good so far. Mind you, it's an off-plan project. It's not a finished product. This buildings that you are going to be seeing in this video today, the level of work we've put in here, when we started, we met this site as bare land. No blocks, no buildings, but today the massive development is going to really encourage you. And for you that is here to invest in Eko Paragon, mind you, we are 80% sold out. And if you've invested in Eko Paragon, I want to say a very big congratulations to you. You're going to be seeing the latest site updates, what your development has gotten to, the stage it has gotten to. And you'll be wondering, why is Joanne so excited? I'm excited because this is an off-plan project that whenever I come to, there must be something beautiful to give you that is watching this video. Now, if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Joanne, your best bet when it comes to off-plan projects. And today I'm in Eko Paragon. Eko Paragon is located in Abijo GRA. It's an off-plan project. Off-plan means project that is still under construction, project that is yet to be completed. But what you're going to be seeing on site today, I'm pretty sure that after you're done watching the video, you're going to reach out to Joanne and say, hey, I want to buy into Eko Paragon because the development in here is highly recommendable. I want to flip my camera so that we'll go and see the latest site update together. If you are yet to subscribe, this is the best time to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell so that you will stay notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. I will see you soon, so watch the video till the very end. Welcome back, viewers. So this is our gatehouse. This is the level we've gotten to. I want to take us to where we are having the 1 bedroom, the 2 bedroom, the apartment section, because we didn't mix it up. On this side is where we have the 3 bed. On this side, we have the 1 bed and the 2 bed apartments. Look at the level we've gotten to. Is this not worth investing your money into? I know you have come across, or you may have experienced developers taking your money and not giving you what you paid for. I understand. But I bet you, any off-plan project you are seeing on this channel, is it that we've delivered or we are yet to deliver? In as much as we are yet to deliver, the site development, the site updates will even blow your mind off. If you doubt, go and verify. Go back and watch my videos on any off-plan projects you come across. Follow it as at when I introduced it, and follow all the site updates. You will see that the delivery is sure. Okay, so this is the section of the apartments. All this is where we're going to be having the 1 bed, the 2 bed apartment. You can see the level of work is very fast, very fast. Mind you, we are still selling. Okay, if you want to buy into the 1 bed, it's available. If you want to buy into the 2 bed, it's available. If you want to buy into the 3 bed, it's available. Okay, and we have initial deposit of 5 to 20 million naira. Smart investors, keep watching this video. For you that already invested in Eko Paragon, I'm so sure you love what you are seeing, and congratulations to you. For you that is yet to make your decision because of one thing or the other, either your past experience or you are still skeptical, will they deliver? Will they keep to their promise? Take a look at what we've achieved. For us to get to this stage, we will definitely deliver. Now let's get to where we are having the 3 bed. That area is the section that really got me like, wow. Let's go. don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because if you don't subscribe to this channel, how will you get to know the latest site updates? So keep watching, hit your subscribe button, and make sure you turn on your bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we drop video on this channel. Okay, workers are on site. There's no time I come to Eko Paragon, I don't see workers on site. Today we are not just going to tour the outside of the estate, we are also going to move into 1 or 2 units, because I noticed that we've started off POP in some units. We've also fixed windows in some units. We've also fixed doors in some units. Smart investors, this is highly recommendable. I want to just move a bit close so that you would see. Remember I told you that we fixed windows. That's a window there, that's a window there, that's a window there. We've roofed, we have started painting. I would show you the section that we started off the POP. You are going to love it, okay? You will love it. So let's get you to the section that we already started painting. Yeah, let's go. Title of this project is Certificate of Occupancy. Location is Abijo GRA. If you don't know where Abijo GRA is, Abijo is after Shangote Edo. After the biggest shop, right, you will get to Abijo GRA. Okay, from this particular estate to the Lekki Expressway is just a 4 minutes drive. Okay, I would like to take this side, but before then, let's move into this unit and see. Smart investors, take a look. We have tiled. We've done the tiling job. We've done the POP. Work is in progress. Okay, I won't be able to go up because workers are on site, but I just wanted to show you. Hello. So let's go and see other units. This is the guest toilet. You can see how spacious it is. Let's see other units. Smart investors, take a look. Take a look. This is Eko Paragon. Oh, this is Eko Paragon, and this is the stage we've gotten to. I just decided to come to this. I remember I told you that you are going to be really impressed when we get to the section of the 3-bed. This is it. This is where we're going to be having the 3-bed. And you see, we've started painting. We've done POP on this unit, that unit, that unit, that one. We've done POP on this side. I will still have to take this way to show you the other sections. This is not all we have. We have more projects. Okay, so let's keep going. We've also started plastering this unit and other units. I'm going to be showing you that. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell so that you stay notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. Smart investors, CEO. This is still a site update. We've done screeding. That's wall screeding. We've not even painted though. We've done screeding and everywhere is already shining. We are plastering this side. We've also started off something on this side. I want to try to move into this one to see. Done POP in each and every unit here. Okay, so I want us to go and see this units. Yeah, we fixed the doors. The rooms are really spacious, not your regular. Well done. Not your regular. Okay, we've not started off the POP here, but very soon we are going to be doing that. Okay, this is really good. See the windows? It's not tiny, it's not all those narrow windows. This is good. You will have a good ventilation with this window. Yeah, so let's keep going. So when I said we've done tiling, I wasn't joking. Take a look. We've done the tiling work here. Both the walls, the wall tiles. This is good. This is it. This is the kitchen. You can see the kitchen is really spacious. You have a back door here. So a 1-bedroom going for 75 million, a 2-bedroom going for 85 million, and a 3-bedroom going for 120 million. And you get to make an initial deposit of 5 million for a 1-bed, 10 million for a 2-bed, and 20 million for a 3-bed. I mean, see what we've done in the space of 5 months. Jeez. Workers are on site. Everyone is in their post. Hey, smart investors. If you are yet to make your decision in buying into Eko Paragon, you've watched that video. I'm not done. I'm still going to go to the section where we are going to be having the 1-bedroom and the 2-bedroom apartments. I just want you to see my face again so that I will tell you that you are almost late. We started off this project in February, within the space of 5 months. February, April, May, June, July, August. We are in September and we've achieved this. We've done POP on so many units. We have fixed the tiles. We have started off kitchen cabinets in 1 unit. You saw that in my video. We have started off POP in various units. We've started plastering some units. We have done screeding. We've not painted. That beautification, that shiny thing you are seeing is just the screeding, no. We have not painted. We have fixed doors in so many units. Smart investors, if you are yet to buy into Eko Paragon, call me now, no, before we are sold out. We are 80% sold out. If you want to buy into the 1-bed, you make a deposit of 5 million naira. If you want to buy into the 2-bed, you make a deposit of 10 million naira. If you want to buy into the 3-bed, you make a deposit of 20 million naira. And you grab this. It's an off-land project. Now, if you've been worried and scared, maybe because of your past experience buying into an off-land project and it was not delivered, with the level we've gotten to, we go deliver. Abi will not go deliver. You said check them. 5 months and we've done this. Let's keep touring. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell so that you stay notified on this channel. Let's go. Smart investors, I'm still in Eko Paragon. Sorry. See, take a look at this one. This see solid foundation. We are not joking, though. So these are the sections of the apartments. Remember, we have 1-bed and 2-bed apartments. Where we just left is the 3-bedroom section. This is where we have the 1-bed and the 2-bed apartments. I will still have to take you to the other side of the apartment so that you will see what we've done. The last time I came, this project was not at this stage. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. This is another section of the apartment. See the level we've gotten to. Take note at the stage we've gotten to. The next time I visit this site, will not be at this stage. Electrical work is on. No, see another one there. See them started off electrical work. So what are you waiting for? Call Joanne on the number displayed on your screen, and I'll follow through with you. If you look at our doors, very solid door. As your pantry, then see your kitchen. It has a large window. So let's go upstairs. Let's get upstairs. I see. This is the 3-bed, okay? Yeah. Hit your subscribe button and turn on your bell. Thank you. For my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back again. This is our Eko Paragon. Oh, see the level of work. Oh, so call me. Let me secure a unit for you before we are sold out. Okay. I love the windows. Ah, the breeze here. You will love it. Second room here. Let's get to the third room. Yeah. Well done. So this is the outside. See your neighbors. See the location in this, where this estate is located. See the location. See that it's in an open environment. You're not in a bush. Okay, so if you buy into this, you will have this lovely view. Welcome back, viewers. That brings us to the end of that lovely tour. You saw it for yourself. Smart investors, please give us a round of applause. We deserve it, because it's not all developers that come into a site as bare land and they achieve this within the space of 5 months. Ace Royale, you guys are really doing a good job. At the ventilation in the rooms, the windows, they are not narrow, they are not tiny, the windows are wide. So if you open the 3 windows at a go, you are going to enjoy natural air. Mind you, it's a hotel residence. So if you want to buy into this place and you don't want to live in it, we can manage it for you. And every month you are going to be receiving your money hitting your bank account. Secondly, if you want to live in it, this location is 100% habitable. Okay? If you want to sell off, you're still on a good track. Imagine buying a 2-bedroom for 85 million and you sell off for 100 and something million naira, or the 3-bed for 120 million and you're selling off for more than 120 million. You've made huge returns from your money. So Eko Paragon is your best bet in Abijo GRA. Click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you stay notified on this channel. Till I come your way again, enjoy the rest of your day, and don't forget, we are 80% sold out. So the faster you act, the better for you. Enjoy your day, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.